In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts from CSV. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a spreadsheet of names and emails into your contacts list smoothly and without surprises. First, log into your account and head straight to the contacts area. This is your hub for managing people you reach out to, so it's the right place to bring in new records. Make sure you have your CSV file ready on your computer. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a simple spreadsheet format. Before you begin, it helps to open it briefly to confirm it has a header row with clear column names, like name and email, and that the data looks clean. If you can, save it in UTF-8 encoding to avoid strange characters and remove any extra blank rows or notes at the bottom. Once you're in Contacts, look for the Import Contacts option. It's usually near the top or in an Actions menu. Clicking it opens the import workflow. You'll be prompted to upload your CSV file. Choose the file from your device and let the system scan it. If your platform lists supported formats or size limits, check those ahead of time so everything uploads without errors. After the file is uploaded, you'll match the columns from your CSV to the correct contact fields. This step is key. Make sure the email column maps to the email field, names map to name or first name and last name, and any phone or company fields line up correctly. If you have a column you don't need, set it to Do Not Import so you don't clutter your contact records. Pay attention to formatting. Emails should be valid, phone numbers should include the correct country codes if required, and dates should follow a format your system recognizes. Next, you can optionally select a tag or a campaign. Tags help you label and group your contacts for quick filtering later. Campaigns can enroll your new contacts into an immediate follow-up sequence. If you're unsure, choose a clear tag that describes the list source, or simply skip this if you don't need it right now. When everything looks good, click Import. You'll typically see a progress indicator while the system validates and adds the records. If there are duplicates or invalid emails, the import may skip them and display a summary. Review any messages so you can fix your source file if needed. Once complete, return to your contacts view to spot check a few entries and confirm fields, tags, and campaign enrollment are correct. That's it, your contacts are now imported and ready to use.